It's great to be here at Axiom Precision Manufacturing today with Jim and Craig, as well as Minister Karen Andrews. Karen looks after the Centre for Defence Industry Capability, which is an important part of the Coalition Government's 2016 Defence Industry Policy Statement that is seeing us grow a sovereign defence industry capability in Australia.
It is an absolute pleasure to be here today. Axiom has done such a great job in transitioning from automotive through to defence and now broadening even further to the space sector. So this is a great success story. 42 jobs when they were in the automotive sector, now 72 jobs in defence and space, and 6 or 7 apprentices here, which is just fantastic.
With the assistance of CDIC and Aussie Industry, Axiom's been able to grow and increase our capabilities that we can offer for defence, from our Zone 3 Defence Security facility that's currently going up to machinery, and this has helped build a great growth. Then with defence projects like Silver Shield that Axiom works on each year, that's given us a great platform to be able to train apprentices and bring on more staff.
Well done, Axiom.